everybody. Kim Lenker from Emerge Fitness. Merry Fitness and Happy New Year. Hey, listen, I'm inviting you to join me in January for a huge explosive 30-day program, and it is known as the Solutions for Your Resolutions. And that's what I do, you guys. I provide solutions for you. It's up to you to actually implement these solutions, but I'm going to come right alongside you and help you hit your resolutions, right? And stick to your resolutions and make it not a resolution, but your lifestyle. And I have many different ways to help you get started, but you do have to raise your hand and join me. So I'm going to be starting about mid-January. I'm not going to start anytime sooner because let's face it, I want you to enjoy the holidays. I want you to enjoy the family. I want you to enjoy this good holiday food. Be festive, be merry. And then come first of the year, you're going to join me, right? And we're going to clean out everything, throw everything out. I'm going to help you with how you should be thinking and filling your kitchen with good, nutritious food. And then I am going to provide you with a 30-day program, right? Your solutions for your resolutions. So if you're interested, if you want to hear more, just comment below, send me a private message, and I'm happy to jump on a call or just send you back a message and tell you what it's all about. You want to lock it in right now. You want to get your mindset straight, and I will help you with all your pillars of health, right? So that we can stop with the resolutions and just make it a lifestyle. So I have solutions for your resolutions. If you want to join me, let me know.